Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit audience in Google Ads. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you're on the overview page of your account. This is the main dashboard where you can quickly access campaigns, performance data, and settings. Starting here makes it easy to navigate to the exact campaign you want to update. From the overview page, click on the campaign you want to work on. This is important because audience settings are managed at the campaign level, so you'll want to be sure you've selected the correct one before making any changes. If you manage multiple campaigns, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place. Once you're inside the campaign, look to the left-hand menu and click on Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This section contains several targeting-related options, so it's where you'll go to refine who sees your ads. After that, click on Audiences from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Audiences page, where you can review and adjust the audience targeting currently applied to your campaign. Now that you're on the Audiences page, you can begin editing. If you want to update your audience segments, click the option to edit segment audience near the bottom of that section. This is where you can refine the types of users you want to reach based on their interests, behaviors, or intent. Be sure to review your selections carefully so they align with your campaign goals. You can also edit demographics from this page. This allows you to adjust targeting based on demographic categories available in Google Ads. Updating demographics can help make your campaign more relevant, especially if your product or service is intended for a specific group. If needed, you can edit exclusions as well by clicking the appropriate button in that section. Exclusions are useful when you want to prevent your ads from showing to certain audiences. This can help improve efficiency and reduce wasted spend by narrowing your targeting. Next, follow the on-screen procedure to make your audience edits. Depending on what you are changing, Google Ads may show different settings or selection windows. Take your time here and review each option before moving forward. When you're done, click the Save button to apply your changes. Saving ensures that all your audience updates are recorded and used in the campaign going forward. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit audience settings in Google Ads. As a final tip, it's a good idea to monitor campaign performance after making changes so you can see how your updated targeting affects results.